Alright guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So one thing that's different on the Pixel 4 that I noticed from the previous Pixels is there's an option called Styles under Wallpaper. So what I'm telling you is if you long press on the Pixel 3a XL or Pixel 3, you get wallpapers, widgets, and home settings. On the Pixel 4s, you get styles and wallpaper. So if I click there and I click on the bottom tab down there, and there's a tab that says styles, and ultimately what you do is you change the icons, the colors, the font, wallpaper, etc. And this is the first time that I've seen this in the Pixel devices, but I'm going to go ahead and create a different one. There's some that are already preset. You can see how they are here. And at the top, it shows you what everything is going to look like. So the icons and everything look different too, like obviously your Bluetooth, your AirPlane. That's pretty cool in the notification bar. So if you click to this one, this is what the icons will look like, and so forth. So I've created some myself, but I'm going to create another one right now and show you what it's like to actually customize one. So these are the different fonts they'll change to. You can choose from these 4 right here. So we'll just choose this one, and then you go next. Then you can choose your icons on how you want to do it. You can see some of these are slightly different. Look at the airplane. See how the airplane is hollow on that one? And the Bluetooth changes. Simple things like that. You can see it's completely different on here. And then you have this one where everything's kind of filled in reverse. You see? So I'll use that one. And then you got your option of colors here that you can actually choose. And I thought this was pretty cool right here. So you've got 8 different color choices that you actually can do. And I think that's really, really nice. So I'm going to go ahead and choose the green, I guess. Well, let's do this one. Yeah, let's do the green. And then we'll go next. And then you get to choose the shape of the icons, which I think is pretty cool. You got the little teardrop on the side. You got like this squared off look, and you got a complete square. So we'll do this oval shape looking, the square, rounded square, I should say. We go next, and then you can name it, and then that's it. So let's see here. Let's name this one Pixel 4 XL. Apply it, and then you'll see it'll change, and now all the icons are like little squares. That's pretty tight because it's not on the other Pixels from what I could see. It's just only on these newer versions you don't get that. So that's pretty cool. Google added a little step in there to give you some more customizations or whatever to hook up your device and, you know, give you something new to look at. So I wanted to do a quick video. I hadn't seen this really covered online yet, so I wanted to cover. You guys know how I do the videos. I give you piece by piece to make it easier on you so you don't have to watch for too long on a video. But this is how you customize the font and icons on your brand new Google Pixel 4.